early. I think he just read the ball very early. He's a job that really busy going top of there.
Well, Rob Sharma's faced Kishan Sharma for probably the best part of the last 15 years. There again. Use of pace. Great hands from Rashad. And it goes all the way for six. Second six in the over.
He's put into a position where he can just use his hands through the shot.
Oh, Sparky was predictable. And nobody knew it. Just using the pace. Getting the crowd on its feet for this 4-6. So a boundary and now 6. Booby, last one. Round with a few tricks.
There he goes again, picking his spots. We had evidence of some big name Indian players making comebacks after injuries and taking the game to the next level. Surya will be the next one in line.
He's striking at 300.
Modern game.
And Booty says, I'm not going to use that voluntary allowance and take it on.
And good partnership up with this stroke from Daryl Mitchell.
Yeah, good flicks as well. It finds different phases of the ground.
Now there's some shot here. Not too bad if you could think about it. Maybe a tad too straight, but then he's picked it up early, gets into position early.
Now the other side, and that's maximum. Twisted stops, showing us how rapidly defensive batting is evolving. Earlier it was Fraser McGurk, now twisted stops.
Superb from Fab du Plessis. That's an Angel 1 Super 6. Let's show it will be the first time in any end this contest.
Oh, couldn't have split them any better. He's just leading off from the other night, isn't he?
You got all the tricks, DK. 81 he's got now for 33 rocks.